So welcome to today's video. So actually there is an important information I want to let out to everyone that is actually farming cex.io, so make sure you listen attentively. Now this actually the actual best time for you to convert your crypto balance. Yeah, you might be asking why am I saying that? Well, just listen carefully and attentively. Now most of you do not even understand where to even focus on. Let me just this is the convert option. Let me just quickly go back here and just do a little explanation so you guys get where I'm heading to. Now you can see, if you look above my screen, there is the crypto balance which I currently have. This is just 67. Then there is the power and there is the mining power. Now all these things, they work in line with each other. Now basically what I'm trying to explain is that most people do not actually know this, that your crypto balance is equivalent to the exact price that Bitcoin is actually trading. That is how the cex.io team designed it to be. As you can see, currently as at today that I'm making this video, Bitcoin is back again to $89,500. As you can see, it's already reading above. You can see the current rate and you can see the percentage increase. So your crypto balance it's designed to read at the same rate that Bitcoin is either increasing or either it's declining. So actually at this season that Bitcoin is actually pumping, it will be well, how will I put this for you guys? Now it will be a paramount importance for you to make sure you convert your crypto balance to earn this balance. You see this cex.io balance here. This is what will enable you to do this. Now let me explain what the conversion is all about. Let me go back to the home page. Now this your crypto balance, you see it, right? When you convert it, it will give you this cex.io balance that you see here. And this cex.io balance that you see here, that will enable you to increase your mining power. How do you increase your mining power? You increase your mining power by simply going to mine. When you go to mine, you will now upgrade cards. Now when you upgrade cards, your mining power will increase. So if you don't know where you are to focus on, actually where we are going to focus on, or where the airdrop is targeted at, is at our this power that you see here. Because if you have connected your cex.io, this Telegram bot, if you have connected it to your the cex.io exchange app itself, you know there's an exchange app. cex.io is actually an exchange app. So if you are just seeing this video for the first time and you don't even know what I'm actually talking about, I'm talking about the cex.io airdrop itself for the cex.io exchange. So it's actually a CEP token, you understand? So what you are doing in this whole interface here is to increase your mining power. So it's not for you to be heaping this crypto balance. No, the crypto balance is there for you to increase this your cex.io balance here, which you will now use to buy cards, and these cards will help you increase your mining power. For example, now let me you can look at my cex power here. Now you can see it's currently 2.1 million, right? So let me just show you guys example quickly. Now let's say I want to buy this software, right? This mining software. If I tap on it now and I make a purchase and upgrade, if I go and check my mining power, you see it has increased. Are you guys seeing it? Before it was 2.13, now it is 2.14. So that's how you actually navigate through all this process. So I will encourage you, go to your crypto balance. If you know you have a lot of crypto balance, gradually start converting it little by little. Now let me just convert 20 because I'm still expecting Bitcoin to still increase. So you are going to be checking at the chart, you understand? As Bitcoin increase, you make your conversion. So let me just convert 30 crypto balance. So if I'm converting it, let's see, 30 currently, can you see what is what? It's about It's 2.6 million plus. So I've just tapped on confirm. So guys, don't waste this moment. Are you following me? Don't waste this moment. As you see that Bitcoin is actually pumping and increasing, go and make your conversion immediately. Guys, if you are seeing my channel for the very first time, do ensure you like, you comment, and you subscribe. Drop me a thank you in the comment section. Let me know where you are watching from, and you can go ahead and ask whatever question you have in the comment section. I'll be glad to answer you. If you don't even know at the end of this video is going to be a video that is going to pop up, which is a tutorial guide on how to mine the cex.io, connecting wallets and every other details. I just quickly make this video as a quick one for my subscribers here and every other person that is going to see it, so that you will note on time that you should not waste this moment and you should quickly start converting your crypto balance so that you can increase your power. Remember again, I said the focus is on your power, because if you go and check your cex.io exchange, what is displayed there is this your power balance. Are you guys following me? So make sure you like, you comment and subscribe. Drop me a thank you in the comment section and let me know where you're watching it from. If you want to know how to mine cex.io, every details, the card, I made a full tutorial guide. Just go and check my as you're on my channel, go to my playlist, you will see cex.io full tutorial guide video. Make sure you watch it from the beginning to the end. I explain the listing date, what Q4 is all about, how to sell your CEP token once it's listed. There is a lot of video, about 8 or 10 there, so just go and watch it guys and be guided. If you are not farming cex.io, check the link in the comments in the description box so you can tap it and start farming it immediately, because they are going to be listing in the Q4 of 2024, that is in just few months that is just left. We have about 1 month left before 2024 ends. So just go and watch that playlist so you can see every other detail and information. Make sure guys you like, you comment and subscribe. Drop me a thank you in the comment section and ask whatever question you have to ask. I'll be glad to answer you guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.